So right now we're heading to a customer's location to fix a couple of door dings on their Lexus ES350. What's nice about what we do is we offer a free mobile service in Albuquerque, Santa Fe, and the surrounding areas. We just usually request the customers to send us a couple of photos of the damage. We give them a free estimate. If they like the price, we go ahead and schedule them to go out to their work or their home. So we're going to be pulling up to the customer's location over here shortly, and we'll get it taken care of. Today we're going to be working on this Lexus ES350 on this back door. You can see there's 2 dents, and we're going to be tackling them, getting them taken care of for this customer. So the first dent that we're going to tackle is this one over here in the front, and then we're going to go to the second one. So let's get it started. The first dent is done completely, and we're going to tackle the second dent. So here's the end results. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.